Hello everybody and welcome to Dan Tech, and I hope you're doing well. And today we're going to be checking out a new set of headphones. This time they're by a company called Steelseries and they're the Arctis ones. Now these work with everything from your PC, your Mac, your PlayStation 4, your Xbox One, your Nintendo Switch and even your phone. So what we're going to do is go ahead, open up the box, look at the headphones, do an audio test, and then I will tell you what I think at the end of the video. So let's take a look at the headset itself, and it looks really nice and really stylish. And overall, yeah, looks alright quality. Moving on to the cables, however, and you do get a rubberized cable with a 3.5mm male jack. Now this is going to be plugging into things like your PlayStation 4, your Xbox One, and your Nintendo Switch, and also your phone. You do also get a splitter cable. Now the splitter cable does have a 3.5mm female port one end, and two 3.5mm male ports the other end. Now these are going to be for your speakers and for your microphone. Moving on over, and you do get a detachable boom mic, again with that rubber encasing, really flexible, and again a 3.5mm connection. So yeah, overall looks really nice. Now let's move on to the quality of the build. And overall, it feels a little bit on the cheap side, but these are a budget set of headphones. So when they do stretch, they don't creak and they don't crack, which is a good sign, but they are very firm, so obviously do be careful. You've got a moulded plastic banner along the top, and then underneath you've got some foam padding with fake leather just underneath there. When you do extend these, they do have a steel band on the inside running round, so you can adjust the headphones to whatever size your head is. And then on the sides, they do swivel round, so you can keep them really nice and neat. But yeah, overall, not too bad. Again, like I said, these are a budget set of headphones and they do feel a bit cheap. However, you have got this wee fabric on the side with obviously foam inserts. Now, when you stretch it and put it over the top of your head, it's a little bit tight. Ears do rub on the inside just ever so slightly. However, that padding does make it bearable. And after long gaming sessions, then you are going to get a bit hot, you're going to get a bit sweaty, and it is going to be a bit uncomfortable. But taking them off for 5 minutes and then putting them back on does the trick, and you'll be absolutely fine. So moving on to the audio side of things. Now, obviously there will be an audio test. The drivers in the Arctis one are the same that are in the Arctis 7 from Steelseries, so they haven't skimped out on the audio drivers there. The build quality, however, they've shaved quite a few things down, kept a similar sort of design, but just none of the premium feel. But again, what do you expect from a budget pair of headphones? I do really like that the cables are rubberized. It does give them a bit more of a premium feel. Would have liked the paracord or the sort of the fabric style, but nonetheless, yeah, it looks all right. So moving on to the left ear cup, and you do get a mic mute slider, and you also do get a volume slider as well, which is actually quite nice having it on the left earpiece. So you can mute the mic when you want, and you can adjust the volume straight from the headset. But yeah, overall, I do like these. Now let's test out the audio, see what the sound is like, see what that microphone sounds like, and then I'll give you my opinion at the end. So whilst testing out the headphones for their audio quality over in a bit of multiplayer on Call of Duty, and it was a really nice feeling to hear actually how crisp these headphones sounded. Obviously you could hear the footsteps where everybody was, you could hear the gunfire, and it gave you a really clear picture just by listening through the headphones of what was going on. Moving on, and we're going to test out the detachable microphone for this headset. So it just pops into the left ear cup, and it's a 3.5mm jack input, and you just slot it in.
So this is the raw audio test of the detachable microphone for the Arctis one by Steelseries, and the microphone is actually a pretty good quality. It's going to do if you're on Discord, TeamSpeak, Zoom or even Skype, and going to be brilliant for in-game chat. Now it's not the best headset that I have tested out, but it's definitely going to be worth the money compared to the cheaper headsets I've tested out previously, which I will put the playlist up above me now.
So then my overall thoughts of the Arctis ones from Steelseries is it's a really nice headset. Mind you that this is a bog standard model, and I will tell you a price just in a moment. But yeah, overall it is shaved down. It's the bog standard model that Steelseries do. The audio quality from the microphone was fantastic, especially if you're going to be using it on Zoom, Discord, TeamSpeak or Skype, or especially in game chats. Now, overall, the audio quality, the bass was just there. It wasn't too bassy, and the mids and the highs were around about mid-range for a headset of this price. But if you want to start getting into quality headsets for a budget, then this headset will be for you. Now, we'll put an Amazon affiliate link in the description down below, so do go ahead and check it out. And the headset comes in at time of filming of just shy of £43. Whilst you're down there though, I do have Teespring. Go along and check out all the DAT merch. And I also do have VPN for you, which is Virtual Private Network. So you can pick that up at a discounted rate of about 50 or 70% as well. So check those out in the links down below. And whilst you're down there, go ahead, jump on over to Discord, come and say hi. Come along over onto Instagram and Facebook to see behind the scenes and what I'm doing. Go ahead and share the video, it really does help out the channel, and click subscribe and that bell icon for more notifications from myself. And like always guys, I shall see you in the next video.